Buyers don't trust your words anymore. Neither do decision makers. They trust your proof, packaging manufacturers, and most of us have none. You say quality and service, buyers hear the same as everybody else. That's the trust crisis we are facing in our packaging industry right now. Trust used to come from relationships and reps. Not anymore. Buyers and decision makers change jobs every 18 months. Reps last less than 2 years. AI agents are now the new gatekeepers. If you cannot prove reliability publicly, not just say it privately, you're out of the conversation. I met a manufacturer last month with a product that beats Cryovac on clarity and cost. They had no case studies, no video, no comparison page. Just contact us for quotes. Sound familiar? Buyers couldn't find them online. AI couldn't either. Meanwhile, a competitor who simply posted a 2-minute case study won a 6-figure contract. Not because their film was better, because their proof was. To fix the trust crisis in the packaging industry, here's what you need to do. Visible proof. Cost transparency. Show price drivers in content. Another, create content for problems. Own the risks that the industry and the packaging is going through. Another are comparison content. Teach how your solution differs, is unique, can solve certain problems. Do reviews and case studies. Very simple. That adds third-party credibility. And finally, best-in-class content. What's the best out there? Doesn't have to be your company in general. You are creating packaging trust signals. Post them on your site and find an independent site like Specialized Packaging Marketplace, and buyers can see and decision makers can see that everywhere. Stop saying you're trusted. Start showing why. Do a deep dive interview this month for the Specialized Packaging Marketplace. Build your packaging trust signals. It's free. Let buyers and AI, most importantly, see your truth. Because in this industry, proof is the only currency that counts. Thanks.